3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple, safe, and effective method to download and install Fortnite on your iOS device, even if you're outside the EU, without the need for a jailbreak or a PC. With this method, you can enjoy Fortnite on your iPhone or iPad without crashes or lag, even though Epic Games has removed it from the App Store. Whether you're using the latest iOS version or an older one, this step-by-step process has got you covered. To begin, you'll need a paid certificate from Esign, a premium app signing and installation service. Visit their official website, log in with your email, and register your device's UDID. After purchasing the paid certificate, your device will be enabled, and you'll be able to download the mobile provision file for your certificate. Once you've obtained the certificate, download the Esign IPA and the latest Fortnite IPA files as well. Unzip the downloaded certificate file to extract its contents, which will include 3 files, one of which contains a password. Copy this password for later use. Next, open Safari and navigate to the provided website, link in the description. Here, you'll upload the necessary files for signing. Start by selecting the Esign IPA, then upload the P12 certificate file from the certificate folder. Enter the password you copied earlier in the P12 password section. Finally, upload the mobile provision file, hit the Sign It button, and follow the prompts to download and install the Esign app on your device. Once the Esign app is installed, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll down to Developer Mode, and enable it. Restart your device to activate Developer Mode, ensuring that Esign functions without any issues. Open the Esign app, tap the 3 dots at the top, and select Import. First, upload the mobile provision file, then repeat the process for the P12 certificate file. Import both files into the app, enter the certificate password when prompted, and complete the setup. Now you're ready to install the Fortnite IPA file. Again, tap the 3 dots in the Esign app, select Import, and choose the Fortnite IPA file. Once imported, go to the Apps section, tap on the Fortnite file, and select Signature twice to sign it. After the file is fully signed, return to the Esign app settings, select Wi-Fi, and copy the link provided. Paste this link into Safari, navigate to the Signed Apps page, and select Fortnite. Tap Install twice to begin the installation process. And that's it. You've successfully installed Fortnite on your iOS device and can now jump back into the game without any hassles. Whether you're outside the EU or on the latest iOS version, this method allows you to enjoy Fortnite without a hitch. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to Skibby Tech, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more great iOS tips and tricks. Have questions or need help? Drop a comment below, and I'll gladly assist you. Happy gaming, eh?